Hi everyone, Sarah here. I am back to share with you a post review of this painting that was sent to me by Spell Queen. This has been since their update with the nice velvety soft canvases. Still, again, drills are super awesome. I've had no issues with them. This one is a 45 by 60 Dreamcatcher. Trying to remember what it is. Let me turn it sideways so you can see the entire image. It's so beautiful. It's the kind of looks like bubbles in the background with the white Dreamcatcher and the feathers coming down. It's so pretty. The colors are super vibrant. It was nice and easy to work on, no issues, and tons and tons of extra drills. I have extras of every single color. And for Spell Queen, I just like to keep them in these baggies. I just have a container that I put them into so that I have all of the extras just in case. And because they are such great quality, they're good to use in other kits too if you ever need them, or if you're going to use them for any extra projects. So again, tons of colors, so beautiful, lots of extras. No drills popping, no drills falling off. It just turned out super awesome. Ooh. The sparkle is so pretty. I don't know what else to say. I love it. Spell Queen is a great quality. Check them out. I will have the links down below. I believe this one may still be available. If it is, I will put the link to this one specifically for you too. And just watch, they do have specials every now and then. I know they are one of the ones that are a little higher priced, but again, the quality is worth it to me for that. These are not like your little snack size cheapy projects to work on. So take a look. Hope you liked it. Leave a comment, subscribe, and have a great day. Thanks. Bye.